forgot to say a point that if you want to drink this water, you should boil it first.
Okay.
Yes, can I do now?
Is Rodoshi done?
No,
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 miss.
she is not yet done.
Sabik,
Yes.
your turn will come soon.
Sabik, we will call your name, okay, Baba?
So will I continue?
Yes, yes. Let me permit the share screen. Yes. Start, Rudushi.
Okay, miss. Can you all see?
Yes,
Yes,
we all
Baba.
can see.
An empty box, a thread, nail, a magnet, tape, and a toothpick. So at first, in an empty box, as you can see, I have already tied the thread to the nail very tightly. I have already sticked the lower part of the thread to the bottom of the box. Now I will stick the magnet to the top of the box. Now, if I take the nail upwards, see that it's sticking to the nail. Here the nail is just being attracted by the magnet. And if I put it close to the baseline, it falls due to gravitational force. But now gradually I will take the nail upwards. Now I will pull it down. See, see that here the nail is floating. Here it's not going to the magnet and it's not even falling down. Now I will be taking a toothpick and I will move it here. See that it's actually floating. There's nothing in between the magnet or nail. But do you know why did it happen? It happens because here the magnetic force and the gravitational force, here their force is the same. So that's why it became neutral. And in this space, the nail is floating. This area is called the space. And this is how everything floats in space. I hope that you like my science experiments. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Good work, Baba.
Very good work. As we have time, we want any volunteer parents to say something, and then we will start again. If any parents want to say something, please. Children, any of your parent is interested to say something? And then we will again start. We have time. Yes, I think Rodoshi's parent. Yes, Rodoshi's mom, she wants to say some encouraging words to you for the effort you have given. Yes, Appa, please say something to our students.
All the students are very good and they're very keen to learn about our science and these technologies and all the maths, and science and really helpful for their early learnings and also contribute in our technology, because now the world demand is the technology. So it will be definitely help them to grow up onwards their future.
Thank you. Thank you very much for your input. And your kind words is obviously is going to encourage our students a lot. Thank you very much. Okay,
All
so
the very beautiful, very nice. For your mom. Bye bye.
bye-bye.
Bye.
So
Thank you
anybody
so much.
else? Anybody else want to say something? Yes, we can see another.
Hello. Hello, everyone.
Everybody say
Hello.
hello.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello.
So good.
Hi.
So good to see you. I'm Razin's pop, my dad. Okay. So I'm very happy to be with you. And it reminds me when we did before the pandemic, we'd go to you and you'd be showing us your project, but that's fine. We have to deal with it that way. So you saw Razin's project, and I just kept telling, I just say to him, keep on asking why. Shesh. I just tell Razin to learn science. All you need to do is keep on asking why. Why is this working like this? Or how is it working? And that's one thing, that you keep on asking why. You have to understand that asking questions is how you learn science. So instead of sort of memorizing or just knowing things, you must keep on asking questions. That's one thing. And the other thing is that Razin used to get, it's very natural that when things are not working, you get panicked and you say that, I don't know why this is happening. You get emotional, and he even, sorts of panic and all that. And then I told him that you have to be very, very patient, and you have to learn to troubleshoot. You have to learn to troubleshoot. You have to be very calm and learn how to troubleshoot. You must understand what could go wrong. Again, the thing is that you keep on asking why. Why is this happening? Or why is this not happening? So we really enjoyed your project. We didn't see all of them, but all the best. And you guys take care. Stay safe.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Uh, so next we will start with Salim. He is eagerly waiting to show his project.
Yes,
Okay. Salim, are you ready?
yes, ma'am.
Sabi, come me.
No, now Salim, then you.
We are
Dear
going
parents,
role-wise, Sabit. Please wait a bit. We are going role-wise.
dear parents, have you ever thought that how we need mathematics in our real life? I hope so. So my name is Salim Sadmantiri, and welcome to my presentation on my maths project. So what is my maths project? So my maths project name is the Maths City. So why I actually made this? Do you know? I actually made this to show that how we need mathematics in our real life. So the mathematical topics I have shown are the basic ones, like fraction, measurement, angles, then 3D shapes, numbers, then some other types of geometry, area, and perimeter. So the materials I have used to create my project are like basically the LCNC materials. So they are like boxes of used materials, then used cartons, chart paper, then poster color papers, and many others. So now let's see our main project. So here, what you can see, a city, right? Yes, it's a city. It's a math city. So at first, here you can see a road, right? You can see it and tell it that it has a measurement. It doesn't have a random size. So here, like one topic is there, the mathematical topic measurement. So here it is used. And then, have you ever saw a road with two sides in two directions? Of course not. It has an equal distance. So here, can you tell that what is being used? Geometry is being used because they are parallel to each other. Means parallel lines. See. So now, look at the building. So here, you can see a window, right? So can you tell that does a window has an angle or not? Of course it has. See, in the four corners, it has four 90-degree angles. And then when an engineer is creating a square-shaped building, do you know they also need angles? Because if like they need to measure that all sides are like this side, this side, this side, and this side are 90-degree or not. Because if they are not 90-degree, then it will be a not proper square. Now, see, everything, all the buildings have a shape, a 3D shape, right? So can you predict that what I'll tell next? It is like all has a 3D shape. See, all the buildings have a cuboid shape. Then this bus also has a cuboid shape. And then everything has a shape. And now, see, let me give an example. Before, like in Uttara, the place was fully blank. It was a blank field. And then slowly, like it got filled. Like here also, before the place was fully blank. And then slowly the plots got created where they need to do division, means the operations. So then they divided the plots and then people bought it. So see, now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 plots. And now see, there is also a fraction because if one plot was blank, then we could say 5 by 6. But as all plots are like filled, we can say like it's a whole fraction because it's 6 by 6. Now, see, let me show you one. See here, I wrote road 19. Why? You might ask me. So when you tell your address to your guest, you obviously tell your road number and then house number here. So here the mathematical concept numbers are used. So dear parents, I hope you liked my project and also my presentation. So this was all for today. I hope you liked it. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Baba.
you so much. Yes.
Very good. And you explained very nicely.
Thank you, Miss.
Yes, Salim. Okay. So your mom wants to say something?
আসসালামু আলাইকুম মিস
ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম।
ভালো আছেন
জি, আলহামদুলিল্লাহ ভালো আছি। আপনি ভালো আছেন?
জি আলহামদুলিল্লাহ মিস আমার তেমন কিছু বলার নাই শুধু মানে বলতে চাচ্ছি যে ও খুব সুন্দর করে বোঝাতে সক্ষম হয়েছে যে ম্যাথমেটিক্স আমাদের দৈনন্দিন জীবনে প্রতিটা ক্ষেত্রে কতখানি দরকার আমার ভালো লেগেছে ওর প্রেজেন্টেশন
থ্যাংক ইউ আপা। আপনাকেও বুঝিয়েছে, আপনি যে বুঝতে পেরেছেন আপনার ভালো লেগেছে, এটা শুনে আমরা খুব খুশি হলাম এবং ইনশাআল্লাহ ওরা এই প্ল্যাটফর্ম থেকেই আস্তে আস্তে শুরু করে ওরা অনেক বড় হতে পারবে ইন ফিউচার।
জি দোয়া করবেন।
আমাদের বেস্ট উইশেস থাকলো ওর প্রতি।
জি আসসালামু আলাইকুম।
জি ওয়ালাইকুম আসসালাম। Okay, now our next participant is Sabiq, Salman Sabiq. He is waiting for a long time and every time he's saying that, Miss, can I present? I'm really happy to see his enthusiasm. Okay, Sabiq, now it's your turn. You can start.
Good morning, dear parents, and welcome to the STEM week. And now my topic is maths, and the task is bottomless. So the B stands for bracket, like in the bracket 4 add 2, and O stands for off, 5 of 2, and the D stands for division, like 6 divided by 2. M for multiplication, like 4 multiplied by 2. F for addition, like 2 plus 4. Subtraction is 2 minus 3. We need maths for our daily life. Thank you. It's done.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Salman. Yes.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, Baba.
Now, now what we are going to do is our next slot is from 12 o'clock. So Shanila, do you want to present it now? You are the next participant.
Miss, what do you want?
What you want? What do you want?
Yeah,
I mean,
we want your opinion.
Your choice. Is your parents with you?
no, Miss.
So your parents are
They're
there?
a little bit. Miss, my dad is out and my mom is busy.
At home?
No, yes, my mom is at home.
So are you going to present it in your allotted time? It's better you present your one in your allotted time. Your one will
Yes.
start from 12 o'clock. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So all of you, I would request you to continue your reflection writing on the same week. And you have presented. After presenting, please, those who had started before, you add your presentation part.
And Baba, make it detailed and explanatory, okay? It needs to be detailed. And when you just write about reflection, there are some key things that you need to include, right, Baba? I think you all know about them.
Add the parents' reflection as well. So the parents, they have encouraged you. They said the very good works. They appreciated you. You can even add those comments.
Making your parents and teachers proud is the best thing in the world. And everyone, I would request you all Okay, everyone. Those who have already presented or those who will present now, Baba, whatever you have done, some of you have done a PPT where you have described everything, right? Some of you have video, isn't it, Baba? So what you'll do, Baba, all the things you are going to submit in the Google Classroom. Okay, Baba? In our classroom, in this stream section, go and just upload them. Is it clear, Baba?
Miss, can you tell the task again? I couldn't hear.
I said that whatever you have done, some of you have made a PPT, some of you have made video, right, Baba? Or if you have
Yes, yes.
recorded your one, if you have recorded your one, then you know what you will do? You will just, give it in the stream. Okay, Baba? Give the thing in the stream. We will keep it with us so that anytime we will need, you all have done very great things. We want to keep it with us. Okay, Baba? So upload it in the stream. And during the presentation time, if someone had did the video, okay, so you will paste that as well. Is it clear, Baba?
Yes, miss.
Acha. Our second thing is, when the meeting will be over, this one, I am going to give you a link. You will join on that one. Okay, Baba?
Okay, miss. Okay, miss.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Baba, are you all writing the reflection?
Yes, miss.
Before the, our class will end at 12:40. By 1, you have to submit your reflection. Is it clear, Baba?
Yes, miss.
Thank you.
Yes. Should I write lot of things at the reflection?
Lot of things, whatever you reflected, everything.
But with details.
Yes, in details.
Okay.
Miss, when will you give our yoga summative?
Today I'll return it, inshallah.
Yay! My heart is beating.
I'll be inshallah today.
Okay, Miss. Thank you.
Yes, I'm done writing the reflection.
Then you will submit, Baba, and all
Okay,
the things.
starting.
Okay, whatever you have done.
Okay, ma'am.
Hello, can anyone hear me?
Alvina, can you hear us, Baba?
Yes, Sarah, we can hear you.
Alvina can hear me.
Miss,
I'm
she
asking
didn't.
Alvina.